Dear students, today we are going to learn how to write an application for urgent piece of work. So let's start. The principal, British Public School, Islamabad. Subject, request for leave. Sir, with respect it is stated that I have an urgent piece of work at home. Therefore I cannot come to school today. Kindly grant me leave for one day. I shall be very thankful to you for this act of kindness. Yours obediently. Roll number, date. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe Phys Education and hit the bell icon for early notifications.